Hey guys, what's up? This is Sean from Hobby Kings, and today I got in 3 boxes from blowoutcards.com. I got 3 boxes of 2009 Ultimate Collection Baseball, which I think I will probably say now is my favorite product of the year. Let's see what we can get here. Hopefully, nice 10 Vims jumbo patch would be nice. Yeah, be really nice. Okay, first pack is, it is thick and I don't feel a sleeve. So hopefully this is a jumbo patch. Oh, no, it's not a patch. It looks like it's a thick jersey card right there. Okay, so base, Snyder, Beckett, Auer, and here is a very nice triple jersey autograph of Hanley Ramirez. 17 out of 21 right there. Triple jersey auto. Very nice hit. It's 2. Okay, this one definitely is a patch. Definitely a patch. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce his name. Santana, Matsuzaka, and a very nice dual patch autograph of Rod Crew 4 out of 19 right there. That is a very nice card. And on to our third box. Still looking for a jumbo patch. I love those cards. Hopefully we can get it here. And this pack is there a sleeve? Wait, let's see. No sleeve. This should be a jumbo patch. Yes, it is a jumbo patch. Take the 2 base, Bailey, Toby, Jeter. Our patch is, that is a very sick patch. Grady Sizemore, 35 out of 35. Look at that patch. Wow. So I would say we did 3 for 3 in the boxes today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.